Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Have you ever misplaced your keys and spent hours searching for them? The Apple AirTag is here to change that. This tiny tracker can be attached to your keychain and helps you keep track of what matters using the Find My app. With the AirTag, you can get step-by-step directions to your lost item on your iPhone and even on your Apple Watch, making it super easy to find what you're looking for. One of the standout features of the AirTag is its enhanced speaker, which is 50% louder than before, and has a distinctive chime that's hard to miss. You'll be able to hear it loud and clear, making it easier to locate your items. The AirTag also has upgraded Ultra Wideband and Bluetooth chips, allowing you to find your items from farther away than ever before. This product is extremely well reviewed and many customers have purchased it, which is a testament to how useful it is. For instance, you can share the location of your AirTag with trusted contacts or airline partners if you lose something important, which gives you an added layer of security. The precision finding feature on the AirTag is also incredibly useful, as it guides you to your lost item with ease. The AirTag is perfect for everyday use, whether you're someone who constantly misplaces their keys or you're a traveler who wants to keep track of your luggage. It's also super easy to use, and the fact that you can share the location of your items with others makes it a great tool for families or groups of friends. Overall, the Apple AirTag is a game changer, and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to keep track of their belongings with ease. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.